Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Capcut. So if you are using the Capcut for video editing and you don't know how to crop a video in Capcut, I will show you how to do this. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, you just have to open the Capcut application and then you have to import the video you want to crop. And in case if you don't know how to import a video, you just go for this import and then you have to select the video you want to import in CapCut, and then simply just tap on this open and your video will be imported in CapCut. So the next step is you just have to drag it to the timeline like this. You can also do this by tapping on this plus icon and your video will be added on this timeline. So now for the next step, you have to make sure that you have selected this video, and now you can see these tools here. You can see this crop, rotate, split, delete, and kind of this split again. So these are the tools we can use for this video, but we want to crop this video, so this is the tool for cropping the video. You just have to tap on it and now you will see this kind of interface. Now you can see this, you can crop it like this, like from upper. You can do this, or you can do this. You can crop it like whatever you want. You can see this, I can just crop it anyway, and this is the crop ratio. So if you tap on it, you can see there are the ratios like 9:16. If you want for YouTube shorts or TikTok, you can go for this 9:16. 16:9 is already 4.3, it's for Instagram. So you can select your ratio here like this. Your video will be cropped automatically on this. So after this, like if you want this, so you just have to tap on this confirm and now you can see your video is cropped automatically. Now if you play this video, your video will be playing in this circle only. So this is the crop tool of CapCut, and this is how you can crop a video on CapCut. So you just have to go for this crop tool and you can select your desired ratio, or you can go for manually and then just tap on this confirm and you are good to go. So that's simply how you can crop your video in CapCut. So I hope this was really helpful. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description. If you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.